you will have to study in the college as well, but you don't have to study like the NEET. There will be no tension, no burden about the future. You will just enjoy the study, you will give the exams and will be in the next professional year. Hello guys, I am here to motivate you with my own NEET journey. So first of all, I will give you my own introduction. My name is Mahima Purva and my rank in the previous NEET examination was 2159. My marks was 661 and now I am pursuing MBBS from SMS Medical College, Jaipur. Basically, when you are doing the same thing, then it becomes boring. It will make you tense that what will happen in the future. What if you don't get selected and you have to prepare it again, or you are not pursuing any other courses, so you are lagging behind with your batch, with your classmates. So these are the several questions which makes you tense, and overthinking about these questions is the biggest mistake I have made, and I wasted so much time on these things. Then when I realized that I am just doing overthinking and which will never give me any kind of fruits, so then I decided that I will rectify my mistakes. So I started focusing on the studies more. Just stop that overthinking on the questions which will never give me any kind of results. Just stop overthinking and focus on your studies. Only spending time with the bio, physics and chemistry will give you the marks and results. Any kind of other questions which will give you stress have no use in the journey of preparation. The biggest source of motivation, as I was in the coaching classes, that is LM Kota, so the biggest source of motivation was teachers. Some teachers during that lecture session, they just motivate us, and that motivation gives me the spirit to go to the hostel and just start the preparation. So my biggest source of motivation was the teachers and my family. And how you used to cope up with the stress? So I usually, when I am in the stress, then I just stop studying, stop overthinking and spend time with my own hobbies like watching movies, and just went outside and roaming here and there. Then when I get relaxed, then I again start with a new spirit. When I was preparing for NEET, then this COVID pandemic suddenly appears, and that's why we have to leave our hostels. Then we have to come to the hometowns, and here in the home I have to study with a new routine, with a new environment. And at that time there are several problems in this beginning, but when you have a target to achieve, then there will be so many problems in your life. It's only up to you that you have to focus on the problems, or you have to focus on the goals, and just you make efforts to just achieve your goal. So I just make efforts to achieve my goal and just ignore all the problems which I am facing at that time. So in the home, then I also set a routine at my home, and my family also supported me during my preparation. And the students which don't have the burden of the board exams at that time, they can utilize their maximum time by solving the MCQs rather than thinking about the derivation in physics and the short notes and long answer types questions in bio and chemistry. So this was the biggest opportunity for the students who are giving their NEET examinations along with their board exams, as they don't have to think about the board pattern, and they just have to focus on the MCQs and the questions which are basically mostly asked in the NEET exams. We all have a tendency to procrastinate the things which is not at all under our control, and it will just waste our energy and time and will never give us any kind of results. It will just lead to the stress, tension, and it will also decline your performance. To avoid the procrastinate, first of all, stay busy. First of all, stay busy with your studies, and when you are taking some rest, then Make yourself busy with your hobbies. It is the best thing you can do. And if you are at your home due to the COVID pandemic, then you can spend time with your parents, your siblings, as they will always motivate you and will give you the positive energy. So, I will suggest that you should spend some time with your family. I have just spent 2 months in my college, so I don't have so many ideas about the college. During MBBS, but there is so many respect in this profession or in this during this academic session. You gain so many respect in your society, even in your college, your whole hospital and college campus. It is an amazing feeling that you are with the white apron and everyone is looking at, yeah, they are the future doctors. So this feeling is just amazing. Your friend circle all are just like you. They all are good at studies, they all are sharp at mind, so you will like their company also. You will have to study in the college as well, but you don't have to study like the NEET. There will be no tension, no burden about the future. You will just enjoy the study, you will give the exams and will be in the next professional year. So there will be no tension which you are facing it today. You will never have to face it in the college years, that what will be going to happen if I don't get good marks in that exam. If I don't get selected, then what will I do in the next year? There will be no such tension and you will study, you will enjoy your study very much, and it's just an amazing feeling to be in a medical college. So here was my experience about my NEET journey and the problems I faced during the COVID pandemic. So I really hope that you will be motivated by my video and be satisfied with the answers I gave you about the questions regarding the questions which pop up in the mind of students during the preparation. So here I am just summing up my video that just focus on your studies, stay busy and just don't overthink. The life will be going to be amazing after the selection in MBBS. So thank you.